If you followed this channel for any length of time, then you know that I truly love robotic vacuums. I've covered dozens of them over the years. In fact, I just covered the C12 Pro Plus by this video's sponsor, Yeedi. But to be honest, when it comes to robotic vacuums, there are a few places where they fall short. With those common shortcomings in mind, Yeedi has developed the C12 Combo. This is an all-in-one solution for taking care of all your home cleaning needs. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the C12 Combo. Let's go ahead and get started. When it comes to robotic vacuums, the main issue that they all seem to face is being able to get all the way up to the edge and the corners, getting in between the gaps, between furniture. A lot of times they're not able to get fully underneath the furniture, and they struggle with large particles like chips and cereal because they often don't have enough suction power like you get with a stick vacuum. The C12 Combo features a fully capable robotic vacuum for everyday deep cleaning that features 8-minute quick mapping. It can very quickly formulate a map of your entire home. With the advanced mapping capabilities, this is also able to plan efficient routes. It has multi-level mapping functions. It's able to avoid stairs and can climb over thresholds up to 20 millimeters. It also just does a great job of keeping your house clean on a daily basis. There are occasions when big spills happen, and in those cases, of course, you could send out the robotic vacuum cleaner and wait for it to get around to that area, or you could grab the C12 Combo's stick vacuum and take care of that mess immediately. The included stick vacuum has an increased suction power of 95 AW suction, and it's able to tackle any mess that you set before it. As you can see here, it had no issues cleaning up coffee beans from the carpet. It was also able to pick up larger debris like cereal on the tile floor, and had no issues tackling larger messes like this mess I made with cereal and coffee grounds. The thing that really stands out about the addition of the stick vacuum is that you're able to get in hard to reach places. So places that robotic vacuums would never be able to reach, like behind my trash can, I was very easily able to clean up a mess there. You wouldn't be able to use a robotic vacuum on your furniture or your drapes or your staircase. You can use the stick vacuum in all of those areas. I was even able to clean up some messes on my desk. I was able to use the 2-in-1 dusting brush to dust off my gaming PC, to dust off my keyboard, and to clean up some spilled chips from my office desk. And because the C12 Combo stick vacuum is able to lay flat, I'm able to reach places like underneath heavy furniture that robotic vacuums traditionally can't go under. With its 45-degree V-shaped bristles, V-shaped spiral roller brush, and V-shaped array comb teeth, this is able to extract hair from the brush, keeping it tangle-free. The Zero Tangle brush ensures that there are no tangles with human hair or pet hair. I've got some dog hair that I laid out here. This was very easily able to clean up my pet hair. And as you can see, there's definitely zero tangles in this brush. A few problems that you would normally run into with stick vacuums are the fact that they do lose suction power as the canister fills and the HEPA filter is clogged. That's not an issue with the C12 Combo because of the auto empty dustbin. When you're finished vacuuming with the stick vac, you just place it into the base station and the full path self cleaning begins to take effect. Now this is able to clean the dustbin from both the robotic vacuum cleaner and the stick vacuum at the same time. It's using the same path. You don't have to worry about this being able to clean out one dustbin but not the other. It's able to take care of both at the same time. The 1.5 liter dustbin with auto empty gives you about 7 weeks of hands-free use on the stick vacuum. The full path self-cleaning ensures that the HEPA filter always stays cleaned and unclogged, meaning that you'll have full power with your stick vacuum at all times. The bagless design is environmentally friendly and saves you money in the long run as you're not having to purchase new bags every couple of months. Hands down, the auto empty feature on this stick vacuum definitely beats every other stick vacuum that I've ever used, because usually when I dump the canister on my stick vacuum, I'm left with a cloud of dust and a big mess. Here, all of that is avoided. The C12 Combo also adds a powerful mopping solution to the robotic vacuum and the stick vacuum. With a 340 millimeter large water tank, this supports continuous wet mopping, giving you the ability to tackle wet messes and stubborn stains. You can see here that this didn't have any issues cleaning up a mess of ketchup that had been spilled here. This was also able to clean up several different dry messes and wet messes at the same time, so you don't have to worry about vacuuming first and then coming back and mopping. While robotic vacuum cleaners are definitely my favorite way to clean up the house, they make everything so super easy and efficient. A product like the C12 Combo really gives you an all-in-one full home cleaning solution thanks to that stick vacuum and a mopping solution, in addition to a really capable robotic vacuum. Overall, the C12 Combo is an incredible value if you were to compare this to multiple devices that you would otherwise need, like a robotic vacuum, a stick vacuum and emptying station plus a mop setup would all be about double the price of the C12 Combo, which includes all the above. I'll be sure to include links in the description where you can find out more information about the C12 Combo, where you can pick one up for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.